Properties of scalar multiplication of matrix.
सर 22 मिनट आप उसको कर
Properties of scalar multiplication of matrix. Properties of scalar multiplication of matrix. If A and B are any two same order of matrix, if A and B are, if A and B are any order of matrix, and K is any scalar, A and B are same order of matrix, same order of matrix, and K is any scalar, then number first, K into A plus B is equal to K into A plus K into B. सेकंड, म्हणजे A आणि B सेम ऑर्डर ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स आहे, म्हणजे मॅट्रिक्स ॲडिशन इज एक्झिस्ट आहे. मग K इज एनी स्केलर, K मल्टिप्लाय बाय A प्लस B इज इक्वल टू K इंटू A प्लस K इंटू B. देन सेकंड, माइनस K into A is equal to minus K into A plus B. A plus B is equal to minus K into A minus K into B. Okay. Third, properties of matrix. K plus L into A, K plus L into A is equal to K into A plus L into A, where L is any scalar. Fourth, K into L into A is equal to K into L A and is equal to K into L into A. Fifth, K into A minus B is equal to K into A minus K into B. ओके, K स्केलर है, A plus B, sum of two matrix, addition of two matrix. By use the addition of two matrix, they are of same order and corresponding element are sum of corresponding element. ये difference of corresponding element. Minus K into A plus B is equal to minus K into minus K into B. K plus L into A, where L is scalar, K A plus K L, K A plus L A. K into L is into A is equal to A, K into L A or K L A. Okay, and K into A minus B is equal to K A minus K B, where A and B are any same order of matrix. Okay, आता equality of two matrix, equality of two matrix. Equality of two matrix. What is meant by equality of two matrix? If A and B are any two matrix are said to be equal, A is equal to 1 4 5 2 0 1 and B is equal to 1 4 6 2 0 1. नहीं 1 4 2 6 0 1 and C is equal to 1 4 5 2 0 1 and D is equal to 1 4 5 2 0 1. All these example is the matrix of order. This matrix is a 2 into 3. This matrix is also 2 into 3. This matrix is a 3 into 2. This matrix is a 2 into 3. Okay, all these matrix. First, what is mean by equality of two matrix? If A and B are if any two matrix are said to be equal, all elements of matrix A are present in all elements of matrix B. All elements of matrix B are present in all elements of present C. Understand here? Means all elements of A, B, C and D are equal. Understand here? But both all these matrix are not equal. Okay, this A is equal to B, A and B, A B, A C, A D. Okay, A equal to B first means equality of two matrix. Two matrix are said to equal. First condition, they are of same order, and second condition, their corresponding elements are equal. Means A11 is equal to B11, A12 is equal to B12, A13 is equal to B13, A21 is equal to B21, A22 is equal to B22 and A23 is equal to B23. Okay, first they are of same order. पहिली कंडिशन ऑर्डर सेम असला पाहिजे, आणि दुसरी कंडिशन देअर करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल, देअरफॉर गिवन टू मॅट्रिक्स आर सेट टू बी इक्वल. मग A11 B11 A11 B11 इज इक्वल टू 1, A12 B12 इज इक्वल टू 4, A13 B13 आर नॉट इक्वल, देअरफॉर गिवन टू मॅट्रिक्स आर नॉट इक्वल. ओके, देन C11, this is a order is not same. 2 3, A is 2 into 3 and C is 3 into 2, therefore A is not equal to C. A and D are D11 D12 D13 D21 D22 D23. Okay, A11 is equal to D11, A11 is equal to D11 is equal, order is same, 2 into 3 2 into 3, first condition is satisfied, is equal to 1, is equal to 4, is equal to 5, is equal to 2, is equal to 0 and is equal to 1. Means all elements are equal, therefore given two matrix are said to be equal. Means which conditions are satisfied? A11 A11, A12 A12, A13 A13 equal, A21 A21, A22 A22, A23 A23. Okay, means the equality of two matrix. If A and B are two matrix are said to equal, there are following conditions are satisfied. Number 1, they are of same order, and number 2, their corresponding elements are equal, therefore given two matrix are said to be equal. Means which condition is satisfied? Therefore given matrix is equal. Number 1, they are of same order. And number 2, their corresponding elements are equal. Their corresponding elements are equal. What is the definition of equality of two matrix? If A and B are any two matrix are said to be equal, there are following conditions are satisfied. Number 1, they are of same order, and number 2, their corresponding elements are equal, therefore given to matrix are said to be equal. Means therefore A is equal to matrix A is equal to matrix D. A is equal to D. Okay, for example For example, equality of two matrix A is equal to 4 1 0 2 3 1 minus 1 0 1 and B is equal to 1 2 1 x 0 3 0 1 y. Find x and y. Find x and y if a plus b is equal to I. If a plus b is equal to I. मग सांगा a plus b is equal to I is identity matrix of order 3. A 4 1 0 2 3 1 minus 1 0 1 plus B 1 2 1 x 0 3 0 1 y. Okay, is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. A plus B is equal to A plus B is equal to A plus B is equal to 4 plus 1 5. A plus B is equal to 4 plus 1 5. 3 1 5 3 1 2 plus x 0 3 4 minus 1 1 2 5 something. Okay, this is equal to 5 3 1 0 3 4 minus 1 1 2. Okay, is equal to 5 3 1 0 3 4 minus 1 1 2. मग सांगा 1 plus x 4 plus 1 4 plus 1 1 plus 2 1 0 plus 1 0 plus 1 2 plus x 2 plus x 3 plus 0 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 plus 0 0 plus 1 1 plus y is equal to 5 3 1 0 3 4 minus 1 1 2. Okay, then 5 3 1 2 plus x 3 4 minus 1 1 1 plus y is equal to 5 3 1 0 3 4 minus 1 1 2. Then corresponding element, both two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. 2 plus x is equal to 0, therefore 2 plus x is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus 2. Find the values of y. 1 plus y is equal to 2, 1 plus y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 minus 1 and y is equal to 1. Find the values of x and y. If a plus b is equal to this matrix, then x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Okay, then the values of this matrix is equal to equality of two matrix. By definition of equality of two matrix, these two matrix are same order of matrix and corresponding elements are equal, therefore given two matrix are said to be equal. For example, आता एखादी example पाहू equality of two matrix. Find the values of x, y, z. Find the values of x, y, z. Equality of two matrix. त्याच्यात सगळ्याच आलं, ॲडिशन आलं, सबट्रॅक्शन आलं, मल्टिप्लिकेशनचा स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशनचा पार्ट आला, सगळंच आलं. ओके, तर एक प्रॉब्लेम सांगतो तुम्हाला. फाइंड find x, y, z and t. Find x, y, z and t. Okay, find x, y, z and t. If 2 into x, y, z, t, x, y, z, t plus 3 into 1 minus 1 0 2 1 minus 1 0 2 is equal to 3 into 3 5 4 6 3 5 4 6. Okay, then equality of two matrix. What is the equality of two matrix? To find the values of x, y. इथं काय आलं, स्केलर मल्टिपल झाला, 3 मल्टिपल झाला, 3 मल्टिपल म्हणजे स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन आलं, ॲडिशन ऑफ टू मॅट्रिक्स आलं, आणि ह्याच्यात जर ह्या मॅट्रिक्स पलीकडे येऊन घ्यायला तर सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ टू मॅट्रिक्स आलं. म्हणजे ॲडिशन ह्याच्यात आहे, मल्टिप्लिकेशन ह्याच्यात आहे आणि सबट्रॅक्शन ह्याच्यात आहे. लक्षात आलं. मग देअरफॉर सोल्युशन 2 into x, z, y, t plus 3 into 1 minus 1 0 2 is equal to 3 into 3 5 4 6. ओके, करा मल्टिप्लिकेशन, 2 न मल्टिप्लाय करा, 2x 2z 2y 2t is plus 3 minus 3 0 6 is equal to 9 15 12 18 2x 2y 2z 2y 2t इज इक्वल टू, आता हा मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लाय तिकडे होईल, याचं ॲडिशन आहे पलीकडे सबट्रॅक्शन होईल, म्हणजे काय होईल 9 15 12 18 minus 3 minus 3 0 6. ओके, 2x 2z 2y 2t is equal to 9 minus 3 15 minus up minus म्हणजे plus 3 12 minus 0 18 minus 6 2x 2z 2y 2t is equal to 9 minus 3 6 15 plus 3 18 12 18 minus 6 12. काय करता येईल आपल्याला, टेकिंग टू कॉमन 2 into x z y t is equal to 2 into 3 9 6 6. We have to eliminate, therefore equality of two matrix, their x corresponding elements are equal, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6, z is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. अशा टाइपचे प्रॉब्लेम आहेत. लक्षात येत आहे. Find the values of x, y, z, t by using the addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, equality of two matrix to find the values of x, y, z. First scalar multiplication, then addition, then these values are converted into this side, then subtraction, and then equality of two matrix, corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, given values of x is equal to 3, y values of x corresponding elements are equal. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 6, z is equal to 9 आणि t is equal to 6. ओके, अशाच टाईपचा प्रॉब्लेम आणखी एक आहे, सांगतो. सोपे सोपे प्रॉब्लेम आहेत. Find matrix A. Find a matrix A. If A plus 2 3 minus 1 4, 2 3 minus 1 4 is equal to 3 minus 6 minus 3 8, 3 minus 6 minus 3 8. Number second, find x and y. If x plus y is equal to 7025, x minus y is equal to 3003. ओके, तर दोन प्रॉब्लेम आहेत. नाही, एक कंप्लीट करतो, एक सांगतो, कुठला तरी एक. ओके, दोन्हीपैकी एक सांगतो, दोन्ही सारखेच आहेत. हे सायमल्टेनियस लिनियर इक्वेशन आहे, एक सिंपल प्रॉब्लेम आहे. आता समजा पहिला सॉल्व करायचा आपल्याला. सोल्युशन फर्स्ट, ए प्लस 2 3 minus 1 4 is equal to 3 minus 6 minus 3 8. देन a is equal to, ह्याला मॅट्रिक्सला उचलून पलीकडे घेऊन जायचं. इकडे ॲडिशन मध्ये पलीकडे सबट्रॅक्शन होईल. 3 minus 6 minus 3 8 minus 2 3 minus 1 4. Subtraction of these two matrix. Subtraction is exist, they are of same order and difference between two corresponding element. Then a is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus of minus म्हणजे plus 1 8 minus 4. And then a is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 8 minus 4 is 4. This is the values of a. ओके, अशाच टाईपचे प्रॉब्लेम आहेत बेटा. लक्षात आलं. इथं स्टॉप करू, हे सोडून सॉल्व करायचा प्रयत्न करा, नाही आलं तर उद्याला सांगतो. ओके, ठीक.